Alright, you don't have to worry about Loctiting these two linkages up here. I've done them already. Also, the tail gyro was reversed. And something else I noticed, this isn't gyro tape. Funny, it's two-sided Velcro tape. I do have some gyro tape right there that came with my new full-size kbar for my Nitro 600. That's funny, I've never heard of anybody ever using Velcro. That would have shook off of there. It would have been all my fault. No, not really. But I felt like an idiot. Okay, anyway. On to my 600 Nitro. I got my full-size kbar. Which I use a different kind of gel tape on mine. I got the sbvus receiver. I got these Turnigy high voltage servos off my buddy Rich. We'll give these a try. These are the, let me see which model these are. I don't know what you're talking about. Those checks are perfectly legible. 1256. Yeah.
Now, were there mitigating circumstances that facilitated the perpetrator to commit
1256. Yeah, you can see the model number right there. Like 1256 TU. Alright. And I went and got my charger out of storage so we can charge this 450. I checked the battery last night and it's only at 60%. And testing I want to do with it, I might need at least 80%. I forget what percentage that it is we use deplete these batteries and then you can't charge them anymore. Maybe somebody can tell us in the comments below. Other than that, that's about it. I guess we need about another 3 weeks with this one. I also got to get the canopy mount bracket that goes over here to keep this attached. Install these servos, full-size kbar. We went with this one because it does have governor mode for your nitro. On my electrics, I just use the Castle governor. Seems to do the job pretty good for me, to me. So, I never use the gyro governor. Alright, so we're going to take this out for a test flight tomorrow. Also, this CG isn't bad on this 450 with these oversized skids, but they're still, they seem like they make the chopper extra heavy to me. I wouldn't advise doing any 3D with these skids on it.
Congratulations, Mr. Banks. Don't congratulate me, son. You did an excellent job. You're going to be a great lawyer someday. That stereo volume issue was excellent strategy. Well, thank you very much, but it was clearly
Velcro. Wow.
Why don't we discuss that over dinner tonight?
Just when you thought you've seen everything, fellas. Okay, oops.
Yeah, I guess if Uncle Phil can be a big man about this, so can I. Of course, it's a lot easier for him. Well, I guess we both got off on the wrong foot. No hard feelings? No hard feelings.
I apologize if the TV is in the background and gets caught up in this video. I thought we turned it down, but I know if I can hear it, you guys can hear it, and I don't want any problem with YouTube cutting out my audio because of copyright infringements. Thanks for watching.